Ms. York. There she is. She's connecting. Ms. York, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay, and Mr. Lee, you can hear me as well, sir?
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay, very good. Let me go ahead and put this on the record then. All right, the court is calling cause number 2019 DCM 1115. This is a motion filed by the Attorney General's office. It's entitled a motion to confirm child support arrearage. Before me on the Zoom application, Mr. Paul Lee and Lynn York. My name is Antonio Rodriguez. I am the associate judge for the Title 40 court here in El Paso, Texas. And we are appearing on the Zoom application since we cannot appear in court because of the current pandemic crisis that's going on in our community. However, the Supreme Court of the state of Texas, the Council of Judges, as well as the Office of Court Administration have permitted us to conduct remote hearings, and we're doing so on this remote application called the Zoom. For the record, this matter is being transmitted live on the YouTube channel. That is to comply with the Texas rules that we have to keep courts open to the public. However, as soon as we finish this hearing here today, that live stream will be taken off the Zoom, will be taken off the YouTube channel. I am recording the evidence on this computer-generated recording system. So I'll ask parties to conduct themselves according to how they would if we were in court, not to talk over each other, one person talking at the same time, because as you probably already experienced it, we do have audio difficulties sometimes, and if both parties are talking at the same time, we won't have a complete record of the proceedings. Those are general rules that apply in every case, so it's not anything unique to your case. And with that being said, I understand there's an announcement to be made in this matter. Mr. Canal, what is the announcement?
Yes, Your Honor. After conferring with both parties, an agreement has been reached on all substantive issues in this case.
All right, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask both parties to please raise your right hand so I can swear you in. Do you and each of you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony that you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
I do.
All right, both parties answered in the affirmative. You can lower your hands now. All right, Mr. Knopf, what is the agreement?
Parties have agreed that based on material change, that the prior order should be modified. Mr. Lee has had a change of employer, that Mr. Lee should carry the health insurance for both children going forward, that his child support should be adjusted to $788 per month beginning December 1st and continuing monthly thereafter, that there should be a judgment on past due child support, medical support, and dental arrears as of October 31st, 2020 in the amounts of $8,000.92 for child support arrears, $1,344.95 for past due medical support arrears, and $434.96 for past due dental support arrears. And that payback rates should be set on these past due amounts, $70 for the child support arrears, $15 for the medical support arrears, and $15 for the dental support arrears, all those amounts to start as of December 1st, 2020 and continuing forward. Parties have agreed there is no need for a non-disclosure in this case, and I believe that's all the terms.
Okay, all right. Mr. Lee, you heard the agreement as recited by the Attorney General. Is this what you have agreed upon, sir?
I did, Your Honor.
Ms. York, is this what you have agreed upon as well?
Yes, sir.
All right. Having heard the parties stipulate on the record with regard to those matters agreed upon, the court will approve that agreement and make that agreement the court order that is to be issued in this case. Okay. As far as the transmission of the order, Mr. Knopf, the parties want to review the order, or can you submit the order directly to me?
If I can ask the parties, Mr. Lee, do you have any problem with me preparing the order and submitting it directly to the judge?
No, sir. Thank you.
Ms. York, do you have any problem with me preparing the order and submitting it directly for the judge's signature?
No, sir, that's fine.
All right, very well. Then Mr. Knauf will go ahead and prepare the order as we have just put it on the record. He will send it to me in what we call a DocuSign program. Everything's computerized nowadays. So he'll send it to me, and once I receive it, I will sign it. It'll be filed with the clerk's office, and copies will be sent to the clerk. If there's anything else, Mr. Lee, Mr. questions or anything?
No, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Ms. York?
No, sir. Thank you.
All right. Okay, very well. All right. I appreciate you all working this matter out and your participation today. That will conclude our hearing for today. Parties are excused. Thank you all very much. Be
Thank
safe.
you as well.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.